everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a miscellaneous shopping haul for you. I will try and link what I can below in the description so you can purchase these items yourself if you're interested in. Some of this I know I'm going to be sending back. Some of the things there's like, Carolyn, what were you thinking when you ordered this? I don't know what I was thinking. I think I have a different body type than I actually do. All right, first up, this white eyelet skirt, all right? So this is from Macy's. It's from it's from Style & Company. It's a size extra small and it's in bright white. It has the 3 tiered layers, or actually probably 2 tiered layers, one here, one here. It has, I guess you wouldn't call this pleating, but they've like folded the material over and gave it some detail. It has an elastic waist, and down on the bottom it is eyelet. I believe this is 100% cotton. Let me make sure. Yes, 100% cotton, and it is fully lined, and it's a very lightweight summer skirt. So first, again, Macy's Style & Company Inc. extra small, and my price was $39.50. Not bad. But then I saw on Stitch Fix, thinking maybe this is gonna look too long on me. So I saw this one on Stitch Fix in the category section. And this is the BB Dakota Rosalita Gauze Miniskirt size extra small, and it was $68, okay? So it's a mini skirt, and you gotta remember, I am only 5'2", so mini may or may not be mini on me because of my height, okay? It has like the tier here, and then it has like crochet detail at the bottom. It's an adorable skirt, and I'll show it on you in a bit, okay? Next up, Nordstrom. And forgive me, I don't remember the prices, or actually the prices on here? No. Okay, so the prices are not on here. So I will tell you what the prices are in the description below. Okay, this is from Nordstrom's. I wanted a mock tank top, and like cropped, meaning not long, but I don't want it belly showing. And I ordered a size up, and keeping in mind I'm short, I figured I ordered a size up. This is from Skims. I thought, well, size up, and I'm short, it should be regular. Look at the size of this, all right? This shows my belly. I will try it on for you. It is not what I expected. I do want a sleeveless mock top, and I've already peeked at the anniversary sale at Nordstrom, and there's a Vince Camuto one that I will get instead, which I think will be much more appropriate than this. You know, so I had, you know, some intentions that, oh, I'm short and I can fit into a crop top. It will be like a regular top on me if I just size up. Yeah, no. All right, I will show it to you though. Okay, next, what the hell I was thinking. So this was online, and I'm gonna, Kristen from Moments of Sanctuary, if you are on here watching, I blame you for this. You had the most adorable striped dress, and it looks fantastic on you. So I want a striped dress too. Horizontal stripes are not my friend. This is the second dress that I bought with horizontal stripes. You would think, you say, Carolyn, you haven't learned your lesson yet. This is not an attractive pattern on you, but no, I am determined to find a horizontal striped dress for me. Okay, this is a midi dress, which also tends to be not a style that works good on my body type. I am 5'2". Midi dresses make me look short and dumpy. Horizontal stripes make me look hippier than I already am. But I wanted to try it. It's by French Connection, and it went on sale for $70 and change at Nordstrom's. It feels like 100% cotton, maybe a cotton poly mix. It's very nice, a very good summer dress. It has the long slit on the side. It has the racer style back. It's a lovely dress. It just looks horrendous on me, okay? I will try it on for you, and you can all look at me and say, what the hell are you thinking? Not to mention, it is an extra small, and it is like bodycon on me. It's just so inappropriate. It's just not for me. It doesn't look good. Next up, a couple Amazon items, okay? I've been saying I needed leggings with pockets. These are by the Gym People. I'll have to look, I think they were pretty darn cheap. I think they were 20 bucks, I'd have to look. They have a nice elastic waist, a wide band, but the elastic, I have to say, is only at the top. Like literally there's just a piece of elastic here, and this whole band is thick, but it's not like a big thick elastic band. So I'm not so sure about that. I will try them on. I did size up to a size small versus an extra small. They're 88% polyester, 12% spandex, and I think they're called ink blue. I kind of like this color. It's not black and it's not quite gray. It's like a grayish blue, and it has pockets that will be good for my phone, and it's capri length, all right? The material, I do like the material. It feels like a quality material. It seems very nice, actually. I'm just not so sure about this waistband. I really would have preferred like a really thick, wide, elastic waistband to suck me in, but I'll try it on and see how it is. And I'm also kind of, it is sewn here. I'm trying to figure out, is this waistband going to even stay in place? I'm going to assume that it's sewn in. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this. I don't know. That's kind of strange to me. I don't think it's actually sewn in place either, because I see the waistband rolling on this, but I'll give it a try. All right. Next up is a Champion jacket, and I believe I only paid like $30 for this, so this isn't bad. I've been looking for a jacket, and for 30 bucks, the quality is not bad. I mean, I think the one from Stitch Fix for like 60 bucks was much less quality than this, and this one seems, it's still not as thick as I would like, but it's not bad. I will try it on. I think I did try it on by my own already, and it was a little snug because I purchased it extra small, and I guess in something like this, I do need a small. And I think the sleeves were probably too long, but I will give it a try and see how I like it. And it's a possibility I might give it to my daughter because she is also looking for a jacket like this. All right, last up, I've been looking for espadrilles. All right, these are white. I thought they were going to be like an off-white or beige, and they are, let's see if I can figure out the names of them. No name. I know I paid around 40 bucks for them. And again, I'll try and give you the links below. All right, they're white. I was hoping they were off-white. They're size 7, probably about 2.5-inch heel, and they have the tie-up. I will try them on. I will try them on with the skirts, and you guys can let me know. I can tell you right now, it might be like, this seems like really like sharp here, this part, and I can see this digging into my foot. This is not like a soft material at all, but I'll try that on. All right, so give me a minute and I'll do a try on. Okay, first up is the Stitch Fix skirt by Dakota. All right, the length on this for my comfort level is okay for me, all right? It comes past my fingertips. It's just a little bit above my knee. The length isn't an issue. It doesn't feel tight on me, and there is room in here for me, but it is tight, not as loose and flowy as it should be. So it's not that it's too tight, it's too tight for my preferences and my body shape, you know. And on top of that, it's even though I do skirts this short, for whatever reason, this to me is very young looking for me. And while I want to dress young and youthful, this looks too cutesy, I think. And just let you know, I have a whole loft order coming in, and it's all super cutesy. So, but it looks so cute on them, but when I put them on me, it's like, I don't know. So I'll turn around. Here's the back of it. I mean, it is a cute skirt, just not for me. So again, this is Dakota. It was called the Rosalita Gauze Miniskirt, extra small, adorable little skirt. It is fully lined. It has crochet down at the bottom, has this tier with a little ruffle up here. The style is just not for me. I'm going to pan down on the shoes that I got from Amazon. They're tight and they're uncomfortable. They're gonna go back. Let me show them to you. All right, they're lace up wedge espadrilles. They are cute. I was hoping for a beige color, and they're really kind of tight around my bunion. So I only undid the one to show you, and they're going to go back. All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna throw on the next skirt. This is the Style Inc. Macy's. This is only $39.50, so a better price. It's much longer, obviously, than the other skirt. So it wasn't the length of the other skirt. It was the length combined with the style that I thought was just a little bit too young and cutesy for me. I do like this skirt. I think this skirt is a keeper. Again, I'm wearing the one shoe still. So here is the back of it. Again, this is by Style and Company by Macy's. 100% cotton. Beautiful eyelet down here at the bottom. Several tiers. This is an extra small. If you are in between sizes, size down. This is a very generous, very generous extra small, plenty of wiggle room here. All right, very, very loose around my waist, plenty of movement in the hips. So again, if you're between sizes, size down on this. So I think this skirt is a keeper for $39.50. Okay, up next will be the Nordstrom dress. Please do not laugh at me, but yes, you can say, Carolyn, what were you thinking? Stripes are not for you. Hold on. Here is the extremely tight-fitting bodycon, which probably shouldn't be bodycon, dress that I don't know what I was thinking. I'd have to be about 6 inches taller and 20 pounds lighter in order to look good in this dress. So I do want a striped dress, and I know that this area here is just very unflattering on me in this dress. It just accentuates my hips. Plus, it's bodycon too. I mean, it shouldn't be bodycon, but obviously the extra small is way too small for me. So I think the kind of dress that I do want that will be not so horrible on me is one with ruching here and maybe just to my knee, and not something so long and something a little more forgiving around this area. So if anybody has any idea what striped dress like this would work for me, let me know. Send me links in the comments below. I would like to try another one, but obviously the last one, which was a stitch fix one, it did not work, and neither will this. I will give you the back view of this because it is a racer back. All right, there is kind of like a ribbing here in the fabric, and again, this came from Nordstrom and it's French Connection. You can see the ribbing. Again, I do like this kind of dress. I just do not like it on me. Obviously, I liked it. I ordered it. But again, you see it on the model, and the way I picture it in my mind, I'm like, ooh, that's a pretty dress. And I don't know what I was thinking. I forget what my body type is like. Okay, next up, even better, it comes up, is the crop top. So hold on just a second. Next is the mock turtleneck by Skims. It's a sleeveless and it's crop style. And I'm wearing it with the highest waist jeans that I have. These are by Loft. It's not too bad, I guess, as far as length. I mean, it does show a little bit of my skin, not horrible, but it's skin tight. This was not like the look I was going for when I got this. I think the one from the anniversary sale is going to be more my speed and more something that I would like. So I'll show you the back of it. This is very stretchy, very much like I would wear for a camisole, not like what I would wear for a shirt for me. All right, it's like a nylon, all right, material, and like I said, skin tight. All right, so both the dress and this, we're gonna go back to Nordstrom. And I don't know about you, but Nordstrom returns take forever. So that's why I prefer Trunk Club. Just give me a whole box of stuff. Don't charge me for it. Let me try it on, and then I'll return it in one box. Now here, when I order from Nordstrom, it takes forever to get my money back, and then I also actually have to go to the Staples to return to UPS to send it back. So it's kind of a pain in the butt. All right, so 2 things going back plus the skirt from Stitch Fix. I have the Amazon leggings and sweat jacket. Give me a minute. Jacket, and it is too snug. It also is a little bit thinner than I would like, but for $30, I highly recommend this. So again, I'll try and put all links in the description below. This is again from Amazon. It has the thumb holes. It has a ribbed cuff. It seems, the 2 zip side pockets. The quality seems to be very good on this, and for $30, it really can't be beat. It's just a little bit thinner than what I am looking for. All right. I also have on the leggings, and these are by the Gym People. They're made in China. I never heard of them, and they're going back. They're thin. They're thin and they're cheap, and they're too big. Like, I ordered a size small because I was expecting compression leggings, and there's just too much room in this area because, again, I'm petite. So the distance between my waist and yeah, sure, I can hike them up even more, but they'd be under my boobs. And I'm not crazy, there's no compression in whatsoever, and I'm not crazy about this elastic. To me, this seems like it would roll on me. Matter of fact, it's even kind of rolling now. But I will show them to you. They have the 2 pockets, which is good because when I go running outside, which isn't too often, but when I do, I need to have somewhere to put a key, my phone, etc. All right. So here's the back of them. There is no little like pockets. Sometimes there's like a card pocket up the top. I don't see any of those anywhere. All right, just the 2 side pockets. All right. All right. You know, I highly recommend the jacket if you're interested in a little thin jacket, but it seems very good quality, but it just wasn't quite what I'm looking for, plus it's too small. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. If you click that notification bell, you just get reminded when a new video is coming up. I've got a loft order still coming in. I've got a Stitch Fix coming next week. Probably the week after that, I got Trunk Club coming, so why not? Join in the fun, see what I get, see what looks good on my body shape, and what needs to go back. Take care, and until next time.